It's Crafty. It's Crafty Tae. It's Crafty. It's Crafty Tae.
Welcome back to Crafty Tae. Today we're going to build this thing.
Alright, what are we building? Is it a cotton candy machine? Oh my gosh, it's a cotton candy machine, you all. Let's see what all the stuff that came with it. Let's look at the directions. You got the directions?
We came with this.
So guess what? So Taylin is at school, and we just got our cotton candy machine in, and me and Van is gonna put it together, and then we're gonna surprise her when she get home. You gonna make her some cotton candy? Oh man, we're gonna make her some
Then
cotton
I will
candy.
make you some cotton candy.
Oh yeah? You gonna make you some too? You gonna make everybody some? She's gonna make everybody some, y'all. Even you want some?
I will make Dad some too.
Oh, you gonna make me some? She's gonna make me some. Alright, so let's get this thing put together. Alright, so look at the things that came with it. So we got some wheels, huh?
Yeah.
We got some wheels, we got our legs, we have our dome,
Yeah,
the thing that goes on, so all the cotton candy wanna come out. This must be with our going on cart. So we gotta figure out how to put this thing together.
Yeah, let's see.
Oh man, let's see. Look at the directions. So it's gonna look like that. So it's gonna have wheels almost like our popcorn machine.
Yeah.
It's gonna be like wheels almost like our popcorn machine. Alright. So let's see what they have over here. Where are the screws and stuff at? This is pretty
I
cool.
think some screws. I saw the screw.
Oh man. Alright, so we got this thing here. This is to get the sugar and put it inside.
I'll put the screw
So well, we gotta put it together first. Alright, it's like the screws right here, so let's figure out how to put this thing together. Alright, so the first thing we gotta do, we're gonna figure out how to get these legs together.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, so let's put the wheels and legs together.
Okay.
Let's see, so we need this thing. We need,
Wheels.
yeah, we need the wheels. And the wheels would go, it look like we're gonna need these.
Yeah. We got this
So
wheel.
we're actually just looking at the paper, y'all. We're kind of like looking at the picture and going with it.
Yeah, we got this surprise.
Yeah, we're gonna surprise
Everybody.
everybody
Yeah,
when they get
we're
home.
making everybody some pocket candy.
There you go,
Especially
some
my dad.
Yeah, I love cotton candy, huh?
Pizza. Popcorn.
Yeah, you do like popcorn. Should use all the popcorn out of the popcorn machine now.
Okay, make more.
You should make more?
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, so I got that open.
Okay. Where's the biscuit?
Alright, so we get those too. Let's see what we got. Yeah, I think that's where it goes. Yep, that goes on there because the wheels go on here. So these don't need none at the bottom. So I'm guessing these little black screws are we're gonna start these off.
Yeah.
So we need to put that in that hole. You gotta put it all the way in. You gotta go all the way to the other side. Like that.
Okay.
Alright, we'll do the other side like that. I'll put the washer on for you.
Thank you.
Alright, we're gonna speed this thing on up, y'all. Alright, so usually things like this come with an Allen wrench, but I don't have an Allen wrench that came with it. I don't see one. Maybe it did come with it, but I do not see one. It does come with like a fuse and stuff or something. But I do have this Allen wrench set. Let's see what size we need. Let's try the 532. Hold on. Oh, that's too big. Oh, no, 532 it is. So, alright, so you would need this one right here. That one right there. If you have this set, you would need that right there. Alright, let's get back to working. Alright, just want to get y'all a little close. Alright, so we got, there we go, that bolt end right there. Starting to look good. Looking good, boo. Doing a good job. Alright, so we're going to continue to put this thing together. I have my
we need one of these on,
pliers
guys.
there to
Let's get one of these
tighten it up. Yeah, we're going to do those next, okay? Alright, let's get this put on top. You ready, boo?
I'm ready.
Alright, so make sure the front side is facing, if you're facing in front of it, with the wheels in the back, it'll be on your right side. Alright? Because over here, the this piece here, without the handle, will go here, and then the handle would go like so. Alright, so you can lift it up and push it with the wheels. Alright, you ready to get your screws in?
Yeah, make sure y'all put one of these on.
Alright, so stand up so you can get your screws in. Alright, let's get your chair over here. Alright, we're getting our last handle on.
Okay.
Oh man, this thing here is crazy, y'all.
It's really
Yeah, you're doing good. It's really hard. It's actually, yeah, this is a little difficult, but you know, with a little trial and error, you will get it. But it's coming along, y'all. We got everything together. Just got to get that tightened down. We'll get this right here on top. That'll just go right there.
And guys, we're going to make some cotton
And
candy.
there you go. I'm gonna make some cotton candy.
Guys, I will make y'all some cotton
I'm gonna
candy.
make everybody some cotton candy. What you gonna do? Send it to them? What if they're in another country? You gonna send it to them? Yeah. Alright, we got that big thing there. Must goes on top right there. So we're going to set that on there. Let's see if I can do it with one hand. Yep, and it must clips in. You can see this little clip.
Guys, I'm done.
Clip right in there like that. Something like that. Maybe not. Or maybe they're going outside. Like that. Yeah, I think they go like that, y'all.
Guys, I'm done.
Boom. You got that in? Nice. You got the screws in, y'all. So
We only
now we just got to
we only have this one here.
yeah. Well, we're gonna tighten these up. I'm gonna tighten these up, and then we're gonna.
Should I tighten some up?
Well, I'm gonna read the directions, see how we can get it going. Cause we got our sugar. We got our cotton candy sugar. So let's get this thing going.
Alright, guys, we're done.
You're done. Nice.
Now we have to make some cotton candy.
Yeah, we're gonna plug it in and see how it goes.
So, guys, we need some stuff.
Did you see our sugar down here? Yeah, I don't think you've seen the sugar, boo. We got all the sugar down here. We got a different
We got different
flavors in
stuff.
here. We got all the these are the candy cones. And look at all these flavors. We have strawberry. We have what's that? I don't know what this is, y'all. It don't say nothing on it.
Guys,
We have pink vanilla, blue raspberry. This must be great, baby. Let's see. Oh, we don't have a flavor on it. Oh, watermelon. So we have a watermelon, and then this one is what that says. This is a bubble gum, and we have bubble gum. So which one are we gonna do? We're only doing one, boo. We're only gonna do one. All right, y'all. Let's get this thing warmed up. You don't even know what flavor this is. This is
I want to do.
that's pink vanilla.
I want to.
Pink vanilla?
I want to.
Alright. So let's get this thing plugged in and see how it works.
I can carry it with my
Yeah, this is my first time ever. Oh, we gotta put our dome on. We gotta get the dome. We don't want cotton candy going everywhere. This is my first time ever doing this, so let's cut that thing on. It says let it, it ain't tell me what temperature to put it on. I guess we put it on high, I guess. But it says let this warm up for about 45 minutes. I'll put your hand in there, boo. So that's, if you touch that thing, it's gonna be, it's gonna hurt. Alright, we got our dome on that thing. Alright, so like I said, we're gonna let that warm up like it said. Did that clamp down or anything like that? Or just sit there?
Hey guys,
It must clamp down, look like it. Supposed to clamp down or something like that. But I'll clamp that thing down. What, boo?
okay, we can put the sugar in.
Yeah, we're gonna put the sugar in. You gonna put the sugar in? Alright.
Mama need help. So
Okay.
I'm going to spill it.
Alright. Well, I'll help you out. Alright, we got this thing all warmed up. Should get the scooper. I'll pour some sugar in there. So keep it like that. Let's get some sugar in there. Hopefully I don't waste it everywhere, y'all. Alright. Alright, you're gonna put it right in the middle. In there. Alright, make sure, hold on. You gotta get close. There we go. Look at it. Ooh. Look at it, boo. Alright, you gonna get this. Yeah. Gotta twirl it. Oh, it's going everywhere, y'all. There we go. Nice. You gotta twirl that thing. It's getting all on your clothes. It's okay. Alright. Uh-oh. Can't let it touch this. Alright. Alright, we're gonna try another one. I'm gonna try it for you so it can get better, okay? Alright.
Alright. We done with brother and sister.
Alright, we're gonna surprise brother and sister later, so I'm gonna try to practice and make some more. This is my first time doing it.
I want more.
You want more? Didn't come all right, great. This is mine right here. So I'm gonna do a little bit of YouTube and let's see how to get this going. But we'll be out in a little bit.
Alright, we're going to see the Crafty Tae.
Alright, and everybody else is here too. Alright, come on in here.
Come on.
Keep coming, keep coming. Keep coming, they coming.
Oh my god.
All right. Alright, stop. Alright. Can she open her eyes yet? Alright, open your eyes. Oh, yeah. It's time to make some. You gonna make her some cotton candy? Yeah?
Wait, I think I know how to do it. I know how to do it.
Yeah, I did too.
You know how to do it?
Yeah.
Okay, well, we're gonna see because I ain't even know how to do it.
I know.
You just pour the stuff in.
Yeah, I know. It ain't that simple though. Well, I did that. Yeah. Okay. Alright, we're finna get this thing warmed up and get it going, y'all. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you so.
Nice.
Okay, so I am about to go.
You got to do yours?
Yep.
Alright, Van, you got yours. You had some earlier. Alright, we're about to see if Tay, you know, we still practicing people, so put some in there. Alright, you gotta go now. You gotta twirl it. You gotta twirl it. You gotta twirl it.
Gotta go faster.
You gotta twirl it. There you go. You gotta twirl your stick. You gotta twirl it.
Go like that.
Yeah, you gotta twirl it. There you go. Keep going. Good job. Just don't touch the middle thing. Don't touch the middle thing. Don't touch the middle thing. Alright. That's what mine looked like earlier. Alright. Crafty Tae. I see you, girl. Oh, look at her. Look at her.
Grab it out of there.
Alright, no, I'll get it. I don't want you to touch that middle. Alright, so sister about to get hers, and hey, that's the cotton candy machine, y'all. Alright, sister is going.
I don't know what's going on here.
You gotta go on the side some too.
And then, like, they still have a couple other commercials
Yes.
to film. So I don't want to start a business next week because they only have 3 of them each.
Yeah, keep going.
So if they are doing like a business video tomorrow.
But I mean, not like scrape it on the side.
But I was seeing like, but there's a couple boys in my house too, so I need like a. I was gonna say,
Alright, people, this
you know,
is
I can throw some candy in there too.
our first time
Like,
using
just a
this.
little mix